Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade right here on Delta Exchange. And if you want to do this, the first thing that we're going to do right here is create yourselves an account. And then after that, you can go right here to the Delta Exchange webpage. And then right here at markets, or we are now at options. But if you go right here in the top to the dots, and we can select right here demo trading. So right now he will send us right here to this page. And then we have options right here to go to the watch list, go to futures, go to Tradify, or go to spot. And here at spot, we can select what we want to demo trade. So let's do Bitcoin US dollars right now. Then if you can see here on the right, you need to log in. So right now you click right here on sign up, create yourselves right here an account. So fill in your country residence, fill in email and password, then click on sign up. And after that, you can start demo trading. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.